Still got a lot of spring to it. I'm doing it slightly underproofed on purpose because I want it to show really well. It's a gift, and I want it to show really well. This type of dusting flour comes off really easily, and it will expose the crust really well. I'm going to do a very light water glaze on it. It's got a nice skin on it. Just do a very light water glaze. And I think I got water underneath here, so I'm going to make sure that it doesn't make the bread stick. And then let me try to put something pretty on it. Dip my blade in some water. There we go. I like that. I think that'll work great. I think you can see that pattern a little bit better now. We've got 2 leaves and some tendrils coming out here. So I'll get this into the oven and we'll get it baking up. Okay, let's get our next loaf ready. Remember what I said about the extra sugar in the crust. So you can see that that's what's going on. I have to turn the oven down a bit. Brush this crust off really good too. I'm going to do a real light glaze on the loaf. And then we'll slash this one, get my blade wet. And this time I think I will there we go. So I've got, well, maybe I'll just do it all the way around. Okay, I'll get that into the oven and we'll see how that one comes out. And that looks really nice with the lower temperature. Came out really beautiful.